Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to order from Shein. First, launch the app and log in to your account. If you're a first-time shopper, create a new account first, and once done, Shein will give you 2 coupons. It usually depends on their promos, but I recommend collecting all of them. Once you've signed up or logged in, it will take you to the homepage where you can see all categories from women's to men's, or you can view all categories at once. I will go to the women's section and select another one of the categories I want. From shoes to lingeries, you can choose whatever you want. For me, I'll select t-shirts. Next, find something you like. Most of these products have huge discounts, so choose one wisely. If you want to find an even more specific item, you can choose a much specific category right here at the top. You may also click on Filter. You can choose any specific material that you want your item to have, or you can choose the price range as well. Now once you find one that you like, tap on it. Then hit Add to Cart. It may ask you which size or what color you want if there are any variations, so just choose what suits you best. Once done, go to your cart and check the item you want to order. Click on the checkout button at the lower right corner, and in here, type in your address, select the shipping method, and then select the payment method. In this section, you may also apply a coupon code. Just tap on this and type in your coupon code. Here, you will see a summary of your order. I recommend double checking it, and once you're sure, hit on the checkout button right here and your order will be up for seller confirmation. And that's it. You have now successfully ordered from Shein. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tricks and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!